Movement with the FlexAir source capture arm is very smooth, easy, and guaranteed positioning through the use of a counterweighted design and limitless flexibility with minimal friction. As you can see, the hood has ease of movement both left and right, up and down, through 180 degrees with a universal spider mount. The forearm assembly, which is from the counterweight down to the end, is unencumbered. There are no springs. As you can see in the video, there's a counterweight, no springs, no cables. So effectively anywhere the arm is positioned, the arm is guaranteed to hold and not droop. The back end assembly, a 360-degree ball bearing swivel for ease of rotation, ease of positioning, and zero dampening gas springs, which are held inside a dustproof assembly, as most shops can tend to be quite dirty, so the mechanism is fully protected. The arm can be extended, the arm can be retracted, the arm can be raised, the arm can be lowered, swung from left to right, once again with no problem in positioning itself. Here we have an arm that is mounted to a 10-foot long extension boom. That is the yellow and black hashing that you see, with a pivot bracket that's mounted to a column, which will give you 180 degrees plus rotation, limited by a wall or a column or whatever the mounting surface might be. A standoff bracket is available if you wanted to rotate a little bit further through the plane. In this video, you'll see an 11-foot long counterbalanced arm now being closed. And this 11-foot long arm, in this case 8-inch diameter, is mounted to the 10-foot long pivoting boom that I just mentioned previously. Because there are no springs, because there is no limiting cable assemblies, the arm can be fully retracted. Right here it's closed completely. It can still be rotated through the plane, and you can see that it can pass right underneath the boom. As a matter of fact, if that boom was parallel to the wall, this whole assembly mounts parallel to the wall or column to swing out of the way completely in order to move work into the welder's area via an overhead crane, lift truck, or trolley. Once again, extension and rotation are easy, maneuverability is simple, fingertip control. Wherever the arm is placed, it maintains its position due to the geometry. There at the back end, it's completely balanced. At the front end, it is completely balanced. And once again, at the rear assembly, which is the boom pivoting bracket, there's a braking mechanism. You can see the bolt right at the bottom there. That's to add a little bit of resistance so that the arm and boom move as one overall assembly, but with easy control right from the nozzle where the welder holds onto the handle that's provided. There is no other arm like it in the industry. It's completely unencumbered. It does not suffer from the illness that most other arms suffer from, which is called gravity, where the arm will droop. This arm will stay in its position irregardless of where you place it. These are solid tubes. There is no mechanism on the inside, which means that is low static pressure, very, very easy of adjustment on the outside of the arm.